Hello everyone, we have an important update for you. We all know that our country is witnessing an unprecedented health crisis. And because of this, a lot of restrictions have been imposed on the movement of the people. And due to this, the IAS aspirants have not been able to access the Prelims Compass magazine of Rao's IAS. Further, we have been getting a lot of demand on our YouTube channel to make the Prelims Compass magazine accessible. So keeping in view the demand of the civil services aspirants across the country, we have decided to make the Prelims Compass magazine absolutely free for all the civil services aspirants. To access these Prelims Compass magazines, you just have to log on to the eLearn platform of the Rao's IAS, where you can easily find these Prelims Compass magazines in the PDF format. Now after this, I have a few more things to talk about. Firstly, how the Prelims Compass magazines have been organized or designed. So these Prelims Compass magazines, as you all know, include current affairs of last 1.5 years from which UPSC has been asking the questions. Secondly, we have included the static portions that are inspired from the current events. Also, based on our understanding of the previous year question papers and the demand of the static portions, we have included the most important topics in each and every subject from the static portion in the Prelims Compass magazine, and accordingly we have tried to strike a balance between the current affairs as well as the static portions from the prelims examination perspective. Also, we have included a lot of flowcharts, diagrams, data points and statistics in order to make the content very easy to understand and more memorable from the prelims examination perspective. Now, which all students will benefit the most from the Prelims Compass magazine? So all those aspirants who have prepared well for past 1 year or 2 years will find it very handy to revise the most important themes in the current affairs as well as the static portions of our syllabus. Secondly, those aspirants who will combine these Prelims Compass magazines with the Quality Improvement Program or the QIP videos will find it very beneficial for the prelims examination. And it is important to highlight here that the QIP videos, which is a targeted program for the prelims examination, has been designed based on the content that has been provided in the Prelims Compass magazines. So do download the free Prelims Compass magazine from our eLearn platform by simply logging in. We all know that a lot of debate and speculation is going on about the postponement of the exam, but rather than getting into the futile debate of postponement, let us focus on our preparation for the prelims examination. And for this, you should go through the Prelims Compass magazine and it will be very helpful for targeting your preparation for this year's preliminary examination. All the best and thank you so much.